Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade tiramisu. First, brew 1 cup of strong espresso or coffee and let it cool. Next, separate 6 large egg yolks from their whites, placing them in separate bowls. Finally, prepare a simple sugar syrup by heating 1/2 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of water until dissolved. This forms the essential base for our delicious dessert. Now let's create the luscious mascarpone cream. Slowly whisk the warm sugar syrup into the egg yolks until the mixture is pale and thick. Then, gently fold in 16 ounces of mascarpone cheese until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites to stiff peaks and carefully incorporate them into the mascarpone mixture. This creates a light, airy, and rich cream. It's time to assemble our tiramisu masterpiece. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the cooled coffee, ensuring they are soaked but not soggy. Arrange a single layer of these coffee-infused ladyfingers in a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Spread half of your prepared mascarpone cream evenly over this layer. Repeat the process, adding another layer of ladyfingers and finishing with the remaining cream on top. The final steps are crucial for flavor development. Refrigerate your tiramisu for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Just before serving, generously dust the top with unsweetened cocoa powder. Slice and enjoy your homemade Italian delight. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.